Hi and welcome to today's painting. This is a tiny painting, so it could be part of the tiny painting challenge. Although I definitely did both of these tiny paintings before the tiny painting challenge was a thing. These have been done for several months, but they were a birthday gift for someone, so I couldn't put up the video before they received them. So we're just getting to see the video now. If you watch a lot of my videos, you probably will notice that my desk is much cleaner than it is now. It's got a lot of paint on it now. But anyway, these are two tiny paintings that I did for a birthday gift for my mom, and they are really neat in the fact that they are magnets and they can go on your fridge. So I found these magnetic canvases at Walmart. I haven't seen them anywhere else. They might be available at some art supply stores. I just haven't seen them at those stores. But I have found them at Walmart, and they're really good magnets. I thought they would be terrible magnets. I mean, I don't think they'll hold much to your fridge, but you could probably hold up a piece of paper or two with them, and they're really cute, so that's good, right? But I guess the important part is that they won't just fall off of your fridge, which is what I thought they might do. And I think these are kind of cool because they have had tiny canvases for a while now, but I never really know what to do with just tiny canvases. So I like these because I feel like they have a little bit more functionality. Like it tells me what I should do with this itty bitty canvas. I should put it on my fridge. For this, I am using acrylics, and they are just the cheaper acrylics that you can find. I'm not normally an acrylic painter, so the acrylics I have are just the ones that are like a couple dollars for a bottle, and they work okay. They're not maybe the best acrylics out there, but I like them. I like doing small paintings like this in acrylic because the acrylic doesn't dry too fast and it gives me time to blend. I think that's one reason I typically prefer oil painting or watercolor over acrylic, is because I get blending time more on those two mediums. But as you have now noticed, I'm doing two separate paintings, and I'm doing this because the acrylic doesn't dry fast enough to keep working on one canvas for a long period of time. So I was switching off between working on the two little pieces. So I guess that's one tip if you are trying to do some tiny paintings of your own. I might work on two or maybe even three at a time if you're gonna need to let like acrylic paint dry for a little bit in between your paintings. But already we are approaching the end of this video. Like I said, this was really quick. When you're doing tiny paintings, you don't have a lot of surface area to paint on, which allows you to do a painting pretty quickly, actually. If you wanted to do paintings and get them done really quickly, then this is one way to go about doing that. And I have done a video where I do a tiny oil painting, and that was really cool because it's just, I don't know, it allows you to kind of test out a medium in miniature. Like it seems a little bit less intimidating, I think, than trying to make a big giant painting, and you get done so much faster and you get to see your results. But that's all for this video. Here is a picture of the finished product. I think it turned out pretty good. My mom was really happy with it, but she is my mom, so I think she has to be happy with it. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this short video, and I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that you guys have had a great day, and I will see you next time.